Assalamualaikum, I am Jeremy Mama, and in this video I am going to discuss the topic 10.2 linear regression. What is linear regression? Linear regression is a statistical way of measuring the relationship between two variables such as cost, time. So if the time increase, mag-i-increase din yung cost. Using linear regression, you can predict the future. So later on our example, we will prove that we can predict the future value. So the formula y is equals to a plus b times x, where x is the independent variable, y for dependent variable, b for slope, a for intercept. So these are the formula to find the slope and intercept. Example: a teacher desired to know whether the typing speed of the computer science student in words per minute is related to the time in minutes. Given the speed of the student x and the corresponding time it will take for him to learn the word processing program, predict the time it will take the average student who has a typing speed of 72 words per minute to learn the word processing program. So ito yung given set of data. So ang hinahanap natin dito yung dependent variable, since nagbigay na siya ng value for our independent variable. So since wala pa tayong value ng intercept and slope, hindi natin basta-basta masosolve yung dependent variable. So we will use the least square approach method to find the value of intercept and slope. So from speed and time, gagawin natin pa vertical, which consists of 4 tables, and for speed x, time y, and x squared. Then the last table is x times y. So since kanina wala tayong value for x squared, ang gagawin lang natin is squared lang natin yung speed. For example, is yung 45 squared is equals to 2025, and for 68 squared is 4624. Bale, to find a value of x times y is multiply mo lang yung speed and time. So 45 times 85 is equals to 3825. 68 times 67 is equals to 4556. Bale, before natin magamit yung formula ng intercept and slope, kailangan muna natin nung the total value ng observed data. And the summation of x is equals to 340. The summation of y is equals to 443. And the summation of x squared is 19,824. And lastly, yung the summation of x times y is 24,594. So we will solve for a, since meron na tayong mga value from the table. So ito yung formula to find intercept. So ang given natin is the summation of x is equals to 340, the summation of y is equals to 443, the summation of x squared is equals to 19,824, and for the summation of x times y is 24,594, and the nth number is 6. So kung nagtataka kayo kung saan natin nakuha yung 6, is from the table, since meron tayong 6 observed data na binigay. Kaya dyan yun ang galing yung 6 nth number. So, substitute the value. Meron tayong 443 times 19,824 minus 340 times 24,594 over 6 times 19,824 minus 340 squared. So, meron na tayong value ng intercept na 125.62. So, next, ang isosolve naman natin use yung slope. So, pareho lang din ng given. And this is the formula. B is equals to nth number times the summation of x times y minus the summation of x times the summation of y over the nth number multiplied the summation of x squared minus the summation of x quantity squared. So, substitute the value and calculate. Meron tayong slope na 0.91 for our slope. So, since meron na tayong value ng intercept and slope, pwede na natin hanapin yung dependent variable na hiningi dun sa problem. So, the given for our b is equals to negative 0.91, and for a is 125.62, and for x is 72 word per minute. Yan siya. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is dependent variable. So, we will use this formula. Y is equals to a plus b times x, and substitute the value. Meron tayong 60.1 minutes. So, kapag ang sa 72 words per minute is magko-consist siya ng 60.1 minutes. So, we have this follow-up question. How long it will take the student who has a typing speed of 64 words per minute to learn the word processing program? So, same pa rin dun sa nauna. Ang hinahanap natin is yung dependent variable. So, substitute the value, and meron tayong 67.38 minutes para magkaroon ng 64 words per minute to learn the word processing program. So, average students na ito siya. And for number 2, how fast should a student who has the typing words in order to learn the word processing program in just 50 minutes? So, in this case naman, ang hinahanap naman natin is yung independent variable, since nagbigay siya ng time, or yung dependent variable na 50 minutes. So, we have this given. And for our formula, y is equals to a plus b times x. Substitute the value. 50 is equals to 125 plus negative 0.91 times x. So, itatranspose natin yung 125 sa kabila. So, ang mangyayari is 50 minus 125.62 is equals to negative 0.91x, since nag-distribute tayo ng negative 0.91 times x. So, ang answer naman dito sa 50 minus 122 is negative 75.62. And to cancel, para makuha natin yung value ng x, kailangan natin mag-divide ng negative 0.91 para makancel, and x lang yung matira. So, pareho lang din sa kabila, kailangan natin mag-divide. So, meron tayong value ng independent variable na 83.10. So, ibig sabihin, in just 50 minutes, ang matatype ng mga estudyante, the average student is 83.10 words per minute.